Welcome to this my channel guys. In this video I will show you how you can download the Node.js and the Visual Studio Code and install it into your system. So first go to the nodejs.org/en/download and it will show this page. I will give this link in the description box and click on here, or you can also choose 32 and 64 bit. And this version is automatically detect my system what the version I am using. It's actually showing the x64, that means I am using 64 bit. So I am going to click on that and it's started the downloading. And after that go to the code.visualstudio.com/download, and this is the our code editor, and it's actually totally fulfill our needs. And click on the download, or you can either choose 64 or 32 bit. I am going to click on that. Windows is actually 7, 8 and for 10, so I'm going to click that. So now our Node.js and the Visual Studio Code is downloaded successfully, and now I am going to install the our Node.js application first. So double click on that, and the our installation process, the dialog box is appear. Click on next, accept license agreement, click on next, and the default option is which is okay, and click on next. And also this is all the package is okay, click next. And automatically install, what is saying is automatically install necessary tool will allow you to chocolatey. I don't want to use that chocolatey, and so I am going to click that next and click on install. And our installation process is running, and the dialog box appear. Click on yes, and now our Node.js is successfully installed. Click on finish, and now open the command prompt. I am going to search here cmd and hit enter, and now type node dash v to check the version number. So I am going, and you can see the our Node.js is version 12.16.1, and check the npm version. So type npm dash, sorry for that, npm dash v, and you can see this the our npm version is 6.13.4. Now it's time to run our Visual Studio Code. So double click on that this setup and accept the license agreement. Click on next, the default is okay, and click on next. Create the desktop icon and click on install, and our Visual Studio Code installation process is finished. Click on launch and finish it, and you can see this the our Visual Studio Code is started successfully. And in the next video I will show you how you can uh, initialize your Node.js project. So stay tuned with me, and if you don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.